Hello everyone! I'm back again on my unboxing video. Now I have the Samsung watch, the Fit 3. I only got this because just for a watch. So it's new. I just bought earlier. So that's it. And I got this to pair it with the Flip 5, and I'm gonna compare it to the Apple Watch. So this is the Apple Watch SE. So there. And this is my iPhone, by the way. Hi husband. So there. Now I'm gonna open the Fit 3. So we're gonna do the unboxing. First, I have to open the seal. Don't have cutter right now. I'm gonna get something sharp. So maybe this one. Ayaw. It won't cut. It's super sealed. So I'm just gonna get my cutter. By the way, this is my bag. So don't do this at home. Joke. This is sharp. So there. So now, I can open. I hope it opens because it won't open. There. So, this is the Galaxy Fit 3, the dark gray. So, it's new. It's Samsung. It's from Samsung. And it's super light. So, let's see. I think they released the other Fit watch, but it's called Fit 1. So now, this is the Samsung watch. It's nice. Nice. So, I'm gonna get this one. So cute. So, let's see what's included here. So, this is the Galaxy Fit 3. It comes with the, with this. Let's see what's inside. So, it comes with the manual, the warranty card, and the manual on how to use it. So, there. I'll put it back because it's just that inside. So, unlike in Apple, there's sticker, but here on Samsung, there's no stickers. So, also, you're looking for the charger. The charger is here. The charger is over here. So, nothing else na. Put it back that way. And then this is the charger. It's nice. So in Apple Watch, it's like a flat circle thing, but here on this watch Fit 3, Galaxy Fit 3, it's not a, it's just the charging part. So now we're gonna look at this. So this is so nice, so light, and I love how it is silicone case. Silicone. So let's try it. I'm gonna put it on. So this is the back where the charger goes. So it lights up. And there's no screen protector, or I mean screen to, you know, wrap it up. So I'm gonna put it, and then we're gonna try to it fits me na, ha? It fits me. It's not all the way back there. Kasi, you know, adjust na. Getting a little fat. So, I'm gonna open. It has one button and one, maybe this is the speaker, or the, where you talks. Because you can answer calls here. So, the purpose of me, ito mo, I'm gonna open it. Ta-da! The purpose of me getting this is just because I don't want to always change watch. So, this is it. So, Fit 3. Get started in the Galaxy Wearable. So, this is the phone. We're gonna open the Bluetooth, because they said that's how you open it. Where's the Bluetooth? Sorry guys. So, new Samsung. Okay, pair it on Shopee. So, now, it's confirming. Oh, this is the code. Sorry guys. So, now, this is what it says. Check your phone to complete setup. So, now, we're trying to complete the setup. Oh, it's downloading. It's raining in Manila. No, it's raining outside, so you can hear the outside and the loud. So, there. And then, we're gonna wait what we should do next. I don't know too. Wearable, I agree to update, optional. Agree to all, because I don't know. Yeah, let's agree to all, because I don't know nga. Allow. So, locate your band. So, let's just allow all the time so it won't lose connection. And then, go back. Allow. 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 Oh, it's happening. Shout out to my husband, Corey Blake. Hi to you. And this is the watch that I've been telling you earlier. Let's do the auto back every time. So, yeah, it's on the left. So, let's pair it. This is the setup. So, it sets up the health, Samsung Health, where the sleep, and then the other health things, the walking, the running, the bike and stuff, any movement. Oh, enjoy your band. Now, let's keep it. It's already paired. So, let's change the wallpaper. Let's do the, you know, this is new. I am new here. So, I'm just gonna do the simplest thing I know. So, it's not here pa. So, let's see. Band settings. Modes, I don't know. Display. Always on display. I don't know. Touch to wake. I don't know where I can put, how will I put the watch face. So So this is what you're gonna see on the Apple, and at the watch. So there. Find band. Find my band. It's easily can find it. Let's stop now. And then the watch faces Fit 3 there. It's connected. And let's change it. I'm gonna customize this later, but this thing's cute. Cutie, can change it there. Oh, there's a heart. Oh, there's a things there. So nice. It's more colorful than the Apple Watch. Sorry. Oh, there's a lot. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just unboxing my newly bought Fit 3. So there. That's where I am. Okay. Oh, measure. Let's measure. Okay. Done. Almost there. Oh. Okay, that's nice. Good for you. So that's it. So thank you for watching my unboxing video. So let's see you on the next unboxing. Bye guys. Thank you.